Hello, dear students. Welcome to the online class. How are you? I hope that you are fine. Dear students, I am Raghunath Bonik, Assistant Professor, Department of Statistics, Milestone College. Dear students, today I will discuss a practical class from Statistics First Paper, Chapter 5, Topic Moments, Skewness and Kurtosis. Dear students, let's start our class. Here I will read the question, practical, then we will solve the class. The problem from the data state below, class 10 to 20, frequency 30, 20 to 30, 20, 30 to 40, 20, 40 to 50, 10, 50 to 60, 40, 60 to 70, 10, 70 to 80, 20. Calculate number 1, beta 1 and beta 2 and also comment on the nature of the distribution. Number 2, Karl Pearson coefficient of skewness we have to find out, and number 3, Bowley's coefficient of skewness. Dear students, now start a solution. At first, I will read the formula. I will write the formula. Beta 1 solution, we know beta 1 equal to mu 3 by mu 2 square, and beta 2 equal to mu 4 by mu 2 square, sorry, এটা mu 2 cube, mu 3 square by mu 2 cube, beta 1, and beta 2 equal to mu 4 by mu 2 square. Next, Karl Pearson skewness, Karl Pearson coefficient of skewness, coefficient of skewness Sk equal to x bar minus mod by sigma, and Bowley's coefficient of skewness, Sk equal to q3 plus q1 minus 2 into median divided by q3 minus q1. Okay, now we have necessary calculation table. We have to calculate the necessary calculation table for necessary calculation, Okay, the calculation table. Firstly, class 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Okay, now frequency Fi, n equal to 30, frequency 30, 20, 20, 20, 20, 10, 40, 10, 20. Cumulative frequency, no, mid value xi is 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65 and 75. Mid value n equal to 150, sum total of the frequency. Next, di equal to xi minus a by c. Middle position, the distance equal to 0, di equal to 0. Previous class, di minus 1, d minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. You have to know the process. 1, 2, 3. Next, fi di minus 30, minus 90, minus 40, minus 20, 0, 40, 20, 60. Summation fi di equal to minus 30. fi di square, summation fi di into di, that means 270, 80, 20, 0, 40, 40, 180. That's sum total of the fi di square equal to 630. Next, fi di cube, minus 3 into 270, minus 810, minus 160, minus 20, 0, 40, 80 and 540. Summation fi di cube equal to minus 330. Next column, fi di to the power 4. We have to find out again fi di cube into multiple di. That means 2430, 360, 20, 0, 40, 160 and 1620. Summation fi di to the power 4 equal to 4590. Okay, dear students. And another column is cumulative frequency. Next time we have to find out cumulative frequency. We have to know that. Now, at first, we have to find out the fourth raw moment. I have to find here noted summation fi di equal to minus 30, summation fi di square equal to 630, summation fi di cube equal to minus 330, summation fi di 4 equal to 4590, n equal to 150. Okay, now we have to find the raw moment. Now, number 1, first mu 1 prime equal to summation fi di by n into c equal to minus 30 by 150 into 10, that's equal to minus 2 mu 2 prime equal to summation fi di square by n into c square minus 630 by 150 into 10 square. The value is 420. Mu 3 prime equal to summation fi di cube, okay dear students, by n into c cube, that's equal to minus 330 by 150 into 10 cube. The third row moments is minus 200 and mu 4 prime equal to summation fi di to the power 4 by n into c to the power 4, that's equal to 4590 by 150 into 10 to the power 4, that's equal to the value is 306,000. Okay, now we have to find the value is mu 1. We know that the central moment, first central moment is equal to 0 and second central moment mu 2 equal to mu 2 prime minus mu 1 prime square, that's equal to mu 2 prime 420 minus 2 square, that's equal to the value is first central moment equal to second central moment 416, and next mu 3 equal to mu 3 prime minus 3 mu 2 prime mu 1 prime plus 2 mu 1 prime cube, that's equal to minus 2200 minus 3 into 4,200 into minus 2 plus 2 into minus 2 cube. The value is 304, and at last fourth central moment equal to mu 4 prime minus 4 mu 3 prime mu 1 prime plus 6 mu 2 prime mu 1 prime square plus 3 mu 1 prime to the power 4, that's equal to mu 4 prime equal to 306,000 minus 4 into minus 330 minus mu 3 equal to mu 3 prime equal to minus 2200 into minus 2 plus 6 into 4,200 into minus 2 square plus 3 into minus 2 to the power 4. The final value is 298432. Okay, dear students, now we have to find the beta 1 is, so beta 1 equal to coefficient of beta 1 equal to, so beta 1 equal to mu 3 square by mu 2 cube, mu 3 equal to 304 square by mu 2 416 whole square whole cube. The value is beta 1 equal to 0.0013. The coefficient of beta 1. So root over beta 1 equal to root over 0.0013 equal to 0.036. Okay, is greater than equal to 0. So the distribution is positively skewed. Since beta 1 root over beta 1 is greater than 0, so the distribution is positively skewed. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understand the nature of the skewness. And again beta 2 equal to mu 4 by mu 2 square. That's equal to mu 4 equal to 298,432 and mu 2 equal to 416 whole square. So the value is beta 2 equal to 1.72 less than 3. Since beta 2 less than 3, so the distribution is leptocarty. Okay, dear students, first question we have to solve. Now question number 2. Okay, you write, dear students. Now question number 2, we have to find the value of Karl-Pearson skewness. Okay, here we have to find here x bar equal to a plus summation a phi di by n into c. A means the mid value of the middle class, that means 45. Here a equal to 45, summation a phi di equal to হচ্ছে আমাদের -30 n 150 and c 10. So the mean equal to 45 plus -30 by 150 into 10. The arithmetic mean of the distribution is 43. Again, mode equal to mode equal to L plus f1 by f1 plus f2 into c. Here we have to find the 3 column is here class 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Frequency is 30, 20, 20, 10, 40, 10, 20, and FC equal to 30, 50, 70, 80, 120, 130 and 150. Okay, now here highest highest frequency of the class is 50 to 60. The mode class highest here highest frequency is highest frequency equal to 40. So mode class 50 to 60. Here L equal to 50. Okay, just you have to know the system. L equal to 50, F1 equal to middle class frequency minus pre-model class frequency equal to 30, F2 equal to middle class frequency minus post-model class frequency 30, C equal to 10. Okay, here we have to putting the value 50 plus F1 30 plus 30 into 10. The mode is 55 of the distribution is 55. And again standard deviation sigma equal to root over summation fi di square by n minus summation fi di by n whole square into c. So putting the value here fi di square equal to 630 by 150 minus 30 by 150 whole square into 10. The value is the standard deviation 20.40. Okay, so the Karl Pearson coefficient equal to, so Karl Pearson skewness beta 1 equal to sk equal to x bar minus mode by sigma. X bar equal to 43 mode 55 sigma 20.40. That's equal to minus 0.588 less than 0. So the distribution is negatively skewed. So the distribution is negatively skewed. Okay, dear students, again we have to find the Bowley's coefficient, number 3. Bowley coefficient, at first we have to find first quartile. Bowley's coefficient, Bowley's skewness, Bowley's coefficient of skewness, beta sk equal to q3 plus q1 minus 2 into median by q3 minus q1 here q1 equal to L plus n by 4 minus fc by fq1 into c. Here n by 4 equal to 150 by 4, that means 37.5. The first quartile class is 22 30. L equal to 20, FC equal to pre-model class cumulative frequency 30, FQ1 equal to first quartile class frequency 20, C10. Okay, we have to find L equal to 20 plus 37.5 minus 30 by 20 into C. The first quartile is The first quartile is 23.75. Okay. Again, third quartile. Third quartile equal to third quartile Q3 equal to L plus 3n by 4 minus Fc by FQ3 into C. Here 3n by 4 equal to 3 into 150 by 4. That means 112.5. Third quartile class is 50 to 60. So third quartile class equal to 50 to 60. Here L equal to 50, Fc equal to 80, FQ3 equal to F3Q equal to 40 and C equal to 10. Putting the value in this formula, L equal to 50 plus 112.5 minus 80 by 20 into C. So the third quartile is 58.125. Now third quartile median. Again we have to find the median. First quartile পেলাম আমরা 23.75. Third quartile equal to 58.125. Again median equal to L plus n by 2 minus Fc by Fm into C. Here n by 2 equal to 150 by 2 equal to 75. This value is the class is 40 to 50. Median class 40 to 50. L equal to 40, Fc equal to 70, Fm equal to 10, C equal to 10. Putting the value in this formula, L equal to 40 plus n by 2 75 minus 70 by 10 into 10. The median value is 45. So Bowley's coefficient of skewness equal to SK equal to we have to write 58.125 plus 23.75 minus 2 into 45 divided by 58.125 minus 23.75. The value is so SK equal to 0.24 is greater than equal to 0. Okay, dear students, the distribution is the given distribution is positively skewed. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understand the practical class chapter 5. Dear students, if you face any problem, so you watch the video again and again, and Dear students,